Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find TRC20 address on Binance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Binance application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Binance. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Markets tab, the Square tab. We also have the Buy, Sell, Convert, and Deposit. We have the Discover. And of course, last one is the Portfolio tab, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find TRC20 address on Binance. So first of all, you just need to go to the wallet and go to Fiat and Spot on Binance. Then select the cryptocurrency that supports the TRC20 network on Binance. You need to go and find a cryptocurrency that supports it actually. And then obtain the TRC20 deposit address from Binance. Then send your cryptocurrency from the platform to Binance using the TRC address. Alternatively, you can retrieve the TRC20 deposit address using the Binance API by specifying the network parameter. If the coin you want does not appear on the DEX, you can find the smart contract address on the website, which is trxtokenview.com. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.